Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Managing Worksheets. In Excel, worksheets are displayed as tabs at the bottom of a workbook. To rename a worksheet, right-click on the Worksheet tab and select Rename from the menu. Alternatively, double-clicking on the Worksheet tab will also enable the name to be changed. When the text appears highlighted, the name of the tab can be changed. To insert a new worksheet into the workbook, click on the Insert Worksheet tool. The keyboard shortcut to insert a new worksheet is Shift and F11. Notice that the new worksheet appears at the end of the collection. Worksheets can also be inserted by right-clicking on a tab and selecting Insert from the menu. This will display the Insert dialog box. From the dialog box, choose the Worksheet option. This method will insert the new worksheet in front of the tab that has been right-clicked on. To delete a worksheet, right-click on the tab and select Delete from the menu. Worksheets can also be organised in any order within a workbook. Watch how I move Sheet 4 in front of Sheet 3 by left-clicking and dragging the sheet. Notice that a little black arrow will appear between the tabs when dragging worksheets. The arrow indicates the new position of the worksheet if the mouse button is released. Currently, there are two workbooks open. They are called Book 1 and Book 2. The easiest way to switch between two workbooks is to use the Switch Windows tool. Observe. This tool is found on the View tab. Watch how I switch between Book 1 and Book 2. To create a duplicate copy of a worksheet, first right-click on the Worksheet tab. From the right-click menu, select the option Move or Copy. In the Move or Copy dialog box, it is possible to choose a destination for the duplicate. Use the dialog box to select a relevant workbook as well as the duplicate's position within it. The Create a Copy checkbox indicates that a copy of the selected worksheet is required. If this checkbox is not checked, Excel will simply move the original to the chosen location. The options chosen here will create a copy of the worksheet and place it in Book 1. Notice that in Book 1, I now have two identical copies of the worksheet names. In Excel, you are not permitted to have two worksheets with the same name. Therefore, the duplicate copy is called Names 2. To move a worksheet to another open workbook, right-click on the tab and select Move or Copy. This time, watch how I move the worksheet Names so that it appears in the other workbook. The names of the open workbooks will appear in the To Book drop-down box. The Before Sheet list box enables the position of the imported worksheet to be chosen. I have set the imported worksheet to appear before Sheet 1 in Book 2. Notice that Excel has not only moved the worksheet, but it has also changed focus to Book 2. Book 2 now contains the original worksheet from Book 1. Also remember that I chose to position the Names worksheet before Sheet 1. Sometimes copying or moving a whole worksheet is unnecessary. Instead, it is possible to copy or move just a selection of cells between workbooks. When I return to Book 1, I will copy a selection of cells and paste them into Book 2. The principles are the same as copying a selection of cells from one worksheet to another. The only difference is one worksheet is in an alternative workbook. Like before, use the Switch Window tool to switch between the open workbooks. When pasting, remember to right-click on the cell where the paste selection will start from.